आपण मानक आमर यूट्यूब चैनल ओडिशा रेलवे स्टडी पॉइंट रे स्वागत। आज आम डिस्कसन करिबा मेडिवल इंडिया रो 105 टी इंपोर्टेंट जीके। चलो स्टार्ट करिबा बिना टाइम वेस्ट रे। हु फाउंडेड द पाल डायनास्टी? गोपाल। ओदनपुरी was founded by Gopal. Which place was born of continent among the three dynasties, the Pala, the Pratihara and the Rashtrakuta? Kanauj. Who among the following founded the Vikramashila University? Dharmapala. Which dynasty followed the Pala dynasty? Sena dynasty. Sena dynasty was founded by Vijay Sena. Pratihara dynasty was founded by Nagabhatta I. Rajasekhar was the court poet of Mahendrapal. Who was the last ruler of Pratihara dynasty? Yashpal. During whose reign Muhammad Ghazni raided the Kanauj? Rajyapal. Which of the following ruler was called King Baura by the Arab traveler Al Majudi? Mihir Boj. Who adopted the title of Adi Baraha? Mihir Boj. Who called the Pala kingdom as Ruhuma? Suleiman. Rashtrakuta dynasty was founded by Danti Durga. Kailash temple at Ellora was built by Krishna I. Battle of Takolam took place between Rashtrakuta and Chola. Brihadeswara Shiva temple in Tanjore was built by Raja I. Who assumed the title Gangaikonda? Rajendra I. The title of Pandit Chola was adopted by Rajendra I. Who was the last ruler of Chola kingdom? Adi Rajendra. Who was called Sangam Tabirta, abolisher of tolls? Kulotunga I. Who liberated Sri Lanka? Kulotunga I. The noted writer Kamban was in the court of Kulotunga I. Who attacked the Bihar and destroyed the University of Nalanda and Vikramashila? Bakhtiyar Khalji. Who was known as Lakh Baksha for his agmanimity? Kutubuddin Aibak. Qut-ul-Islam Mosque, which is considered as the first mosque built in India, was built by Kutubuddin Aibak. Qutub Minar was built in the memory of Khwaja Kutubuddin. Bakhtiyar Kaki. Who was the real founder of Turkish rule in India? Iltutmish. Genghis Khan attacked India during the reign of Iltutmish. Chahalgani group of 40 nobles was founded by Iltutmish. The power of Chahalgani was destroyed by Balban to control the Mongols, who founded the separate military department Diwan-i-Arch. Balban. Who started the Iranian system of Sazda-i-Paibos. Balban, who followed a policy of blood and iron. Balban, who called himself Jil-i-Ilahi. Balban, who adopted the title of Sikandar-i-Sani. Alauddin Khilji, who is known as Tuti-i-Hind. Amir Khusru, Dag and Chehra system in the military was introduced by Alauddin Khilji, who was the first Sultan in Delhi to fix land revenue in cash. Alauddin Khilji, who assumed the title of Al-Wajik Bilaha. Mubarak Khilji, Tughlaq dynasty was founded by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. A separate department of agriculture, Diwan-i-Amir Kohi, was set up by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Diwan-i-Bandgani, a separate department of slave, was founded by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who of the following desecrated the Jawaharlal Mukhi temple and destroyed the Jagannath Puri temple? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who built the city of Hizar? Firoz Shah Tughlaq, who introduced the new measurement yard Gaj-i-Sikandari. Bahlol Lodi, which of the following is known as Siraj of the East? Junpur, who wrote Persian verses under the name Gulrukhi. Sikandar Lodi, Taimur invaded India in 1398 AD. Taimur invaded India during the reign of Nasiruddin Muhammad, during which dynasty Taimur invaded India? Tughlaq dynasty. Who was the first to assume the title of Sultan? Muhammad Ghazni. Sur Sagar was written by Surdas. Bahmani kingdom was founded by Alauddin Hajan Bahman Shah. Bahmani kingdom was founded in 1347 AD. Who of the following is called as the Fox of Deccan? Amir Ali Barid. Vijayanagar Empire was founded in 1346 AD. Who founded the Vijayanagar Empire? Hariharan Buka, who was known as Abhinav Bhoj and Andhra Bhoj. Krishnadev Rai, who was known as Andhra Pitamaha. Krishnadev Rai. Barbosa, the Portuguese traveller, visited the court of Krishnadev Rai. Mughal heir Turk, who adopted the title of Ghazi. Babur. Babur wrote his memory Turk-i-Babri Baburnama in Turkey. Who built the city of Din Panaha? Humayun. Battle of Chausa between Sher Shah and Humayun took place in 1539 AD. Battle of Kannauj or Bilgram between Sher Shah and Humayun took place in 1540 AD. Mansabadri and Dahasala system was started by Akbar, who had a chain of justice hung outside his palace. Jahangir, who assumed the title of Alamgir. Aurangzeb, who was called Darvesh or Jinda Pir. Aurangzeb died in 1707 AD, who was known as the Plateau of Jat. Surajmal, which of the following Sikh Guru compiled the Adi Granth? Guru Arjan Dev, who constructed the famous Sikh temple at Amritsar. Guru Ramdas, Farid was the real name of Shershah. Grand Trunk Road was built by Shershah. Humayun recaptured Delhi and re-established Mughal power in India in 1555 AD. Shershah died in AD 1545. Kalinjar, Vasco da Gama was a Portuguese. Vasco da Gama arrived India in 1498 AD. Who discovered West Indies in AD 1492? Christopher Columbus. America was named after Amerigo Vespucci. The first Christian who came to India were Syrian. Akbarnama was written by Abul Fazal. N.I. Akbari was written by Abul Fazal. In how many Subhas Mughal Empire was divided during the reign of Akbar? 15. Which of the following Mughal officer was in charge of town administration? Kotwal. Ramcharita Manas was written by Tulsidas during the period of Mughal. The city of Fatehpur Sikri near Agra was built by Akbar. Humayun tomb at Delhi was built by Akbar. Din-i-Ilahi, the new religious order, was established by Akbar. Akbar tomb at Sikandar near Agra was built by Akbar. Akbar died in 1605 AD. Sir Thomas Roy, the ambassador of English king, came to Mughal court at Agra during the reign of Jahangir. Asta Pradhan, the council of 8 ministers, adorned the court of Shivaji. Two important taxes, Chauth and Sardesh Mukhi, were levied by Maratha, who translated the Upanishad into Persian. Dara, who reintroduced jizya and the poll tax on non-Muslim. Aurangzeb, which Mughal emperor was the most fond of paintings. Jahangir, which Mughal emperor region is remembered for the beautiful buildings. Shahjahan, the court language of Mughal was Persian. Prem Bhatika was written by Raj Khan. Nadir Shah of Iran attacked India in 1739 AD. The earliest of the European to settle down in India were Portuguese. जदि पिलेमाने भिडियोटी आपण मानकु भल लगी थाए आपण माने सैटिस्फाए आपण माने वीडियोटी देखिथिबारु धन्यवाद। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। हैव ए नाइस डे। बाय बाय।